Welcome to Home Learning.
We are here today to reveal the Metro School Cafe. So we are excited to bring this opportunity to our students. They are going from a coffee cart for the cafe to an actual opportunity to have a coffee setting here on site that has been generously donated to us by IKEA. So they had a huge part in making sure that we had the opportunity to create a space that has been inclusive and conducive to learning so that our students can take this opportunity to transfer their vocational skills into real life work skills outside of Metro. The Girl Scouts have played a tremendous part in this work as well. So they have also been able to come into this space for a period of time and provide an opportunity for them to come in and revitalize the space by clearing out older materials, refreshing the space, also making the space inclusive for students by adding visual aids to support the learning and the environments of the students. They'll be able to have this space and serve coffee and pastries to our staff and our visitors, and they will also be able to cater your next event.
Come check out a cafe.